And every document I am going there with, they normally screen it, search it, go through it before they will allow me. I can't even take any record. I can't even write anything with him. So that is the position. If peradventure on the 20th, he decided to overrule us and insist on keeping Nnamdi there, he can go ahead with his trial. Let him try him. Let the DHS be the judge. Let them try him and send him to prison or condemn him or whatever thing they want to do. But my very self, I will pull out. I don't know of other lawyers, but I think in consensus we will pull out. And there is no lawyer properly called who will allow his client to go into trial without you preparing that client. You can't even do it in the most the cheapest criminal charges in upper area court. You must give that client adequate time, ask him questions, confront him with documents, and advise him